In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Slack notifications from Airtable. This can be an incredibly useful way to keep your team informed and up to date with key changes or updates directly from your Airtable base. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Airtable base where you want to set up these notifications. Start by opening your browser and heading to Airtable, logging in if necessary, and selecting the specific base you're working with. This is where all the action will begin. Once you're in your desired base, the next step is to click on the Automations tab. You'll typically find this towards the top of your screen. Automations in Airtable allow you to set up actions based on specific triggers, which is exactly what we need to do to send notifications to Slack. After you've opened the Automations panel, the next thing you'll do is set up a trigger. Choose when a record is updated as your trigger. This means that whenever a record in your base is updated, the automation will kick in. Customize this trigger to fit your specific needs by selecting the table, view, and fields that are relevant to the updates you want to track. This customization is crucial as it ensures that only the updates you care about will send notifications. Now that your trigger is ready, it's time to add some logic or actions. Look for the option to Add Advanced Logic or Action and click on it. This step allows you to define what happens when your trigger is activated. In our case, this will be sending a message to Slack. Next, you'll need to select the action to send a Slack message. Click on Slack from the list of available actions. If this is your first time doing this, you might need to authenticate Airtable with your Slack account, so make sure you have the necessary permissions to do so. After selecting Slack, click on Send Message. This will prompt you to configure how your messages are sent. You can specify the channel, the content of the message, and any other details you want to include. Consider using dynamic content from your Airtable records to make your messages informative and relevant. For example, you can include the name of the record, the updated field, or other pertinent information that would be useful for your team. Once you've set up the message details, don't forget to test your automation. Testing ensures everything works smoothly and as expected. If everything looks good, go ahead and turn on the automation. There you have it. Now every time a record is updated in your specified Airtable base, a notification will be sent to your chosen Slack channel, keeping everyone informed and in sync. This setup not only enhances communication within your team, but also streamlines your workflow, making sure that important updates never go unnoticed. Happy automating!